All right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1, and there you go. That's our 24 logo.
Na send no your lunch no. Maybe what's no shall
I will na mbopoya. Na 133. Only 300-page document ya.
24-hour economy no a. Omanya yetimu a enkania. Ye nwumire kura na be so hyireyin amasa wo se edwa na wudie na bedinu no hwere duonu nan wonna enkania twumi ahwe so wa bere sumu aba no kania no aso
abusia Ghana for ama His Excellency the President John Mahama omama the pressure ama odimlika akọ launch 24-hour economy or launch yan so still asema ba ho journalists no ene Mahama abe class for 24-hour economy na enra or launching so omunti ase how is he going to do it after the launching I have Penyah block media best was any day obe like video no that my subscribers and subscribe like notification icon for latest updates now better why join the mama e comment section so baso no she be don so enya bi ahwe enti e ko election 2024 mu no and this for no main policy 24-hour economy or the asamba 24-hour economy. What I say? 24-hour economy. I don't want to do the game changer. Okay, 24-hour economy. No just obia baby be here. Eduma baby policy bako. Eduma baby say chabam. What I say? I'm a toba we no. Not gonna for air transfer. Okay, Mahama winning there. Eduma ebe busu to boy. But from January benina January akogu, February akogu, March akogu, May akogu na fe pressure no asate. Ya started Mahama to young His Excellency. Okay, I say oba. O the 24-hour economy and ever. Now then a wedge out on us on baby na ene me way me my launch pad. Me man kurane pad abo masi me ye we me go ichi just a free war. E ma twinju na the go video na obefire Mahama pa. Kama Mahama to just say masa. Okay, I say oba o be 24-hour economy. Hwe so na ye ne just all the amemu ni wada what they wada. Besu na bu mine. Now, on this 24-hour economy policy, in somewhere March, and His Excellency the President, I want to say, exactly 1st July, and on launch 24-hour economy policy. Now, on the 30th of June 2025, we now at the 1st July, His Excellency, I launched 24-hour economy policy. Anna, presidential advisor on 24-hour economy, a good tano. I didn't come up, and what you say. 24-hour economy policy na ye kind of Ghana for the ye kind of simple sana. Enya boko, enya mere. The most difficult policy ever. Na Mahama okasibo launch policy we are. Onfa na hongo no so. Eno sa betire mu kakra. Ese de ntia Mahama enfa na hongo no so no. Onya sikapudu 4 billion US choppable dollars. 4 billion US choppable dollars. And 4 billion dollars. Now from Ghana sikem. What about LA new Ghana cedis mu a? 41 billion new Ghana cedi. What do you call it? Is the calculation? 1 million Ghana cedi 10 billion. 10 million Ghana cedi it is 100 billion. 100 million Ghana cedi it is 1 trillion. 81 billion Ghana cedi what it is 10 trillion. It's now no. And it's cancel musinya 41 billion Ghana cedi. 84 41 times 10. 410 trillion. Sika His Excellency the President, according to an advisor on 24-hour economy, no, omube here, and son went to implement policy. No, Sikawe ma yo muntimi enye 24-hour economy. Ema ni nchire mu agusi tano edeba na etos mu. Go has o ye license and nyina so ye hia sika e wo ho. E wo se anyone bebrebe ansa letimi implement policy we ko edinuma na eba. Ye mi adwuma bia e wo letimi ebia enuma bebrebe ansa kwa na policy we no ye implement it. Okay, so on the 30th of June 2025. It's not idea by Chairman Mahama a launch. Adetiano, and say Mahama aswevi instead of launching the 24-hour economy. While launchiano, or my national prayers and Thanksgiving day, or they don't admire, say and no, and you be a crack. And what she and was other taxes, a good so, or my taxes are hodo. As your day, prayers and Thanksgiving be a career, Yemfa tax. Emma social amount Ghana for Eddie Kempari to Excellency the President in Massa. Okay, say 1st July. Is going to be BIA settings. 1st July, no. Instead of giving us 24-hour economy, no. Back on me taxes. And the tax near day. It was ENRA 2nd July 2025. And His Excellency the President, only the Vice Lady, eko PMO Accra na hono and then the 24-hour economy policy here na aye de dwa was Richard Mahama eko launch here.
And we also have the Vice President join us, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, to complete the team that unveil the logo. There we go. All right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1, and there you go. That's our 24-hour logo launched today on the 2nd of July, 2025, to the glory of God. Thank you so much. Our dignitaries will take their seats. Just to remind you that this 24-hour plus program aims to build a modern and self-reliant beginning of a massive national mobilization. Now let me be clear here. The 24H plus agenda is not simply about extending working hours. It is about unleashing productivity, expanding opportunity, accelerating exports through well-structured, multi-sectoral, and inclusive interventions. The 24-hour plus agenda comprises synergistic sub-programs that are tailored to key value chains. You must have heard the ministers mentioning them. These include Grow 24. Now, Grow 24 is about boosting agricultural productivity, agro-processing, and food security. Make 24 is about revitalizing our manufacturing and industrialization. Build 24 is about accelerating infrastructure, construction, housing, and public works. Show 24 is about harnessing Ghana's rich creative, cultural, and tourism assets. And Connect 24 is about fixing our logistic chains, transport, warehousing, ports, energy, and digital infrastructure. And Fund 24 is about unlocking innovative financing through credit guarantee schemes, blended finance, and venture capital. Aspire 24 is about building the skills of our people, our values, our ethics, and digital capacity for competitiveness. And Go 24 is about mobilizing all sectors, religious, security, academic, and civic, for national productivity and pride. This structure ensures depth and focus. We're not attempting to fix everything everywhere all at once. We're targeting high-impact, job-rich, and export-oriented sectors with strong forward and backward linkages.
I don't get it. I say, what is your launch? There are some sectors, there are some areas of this economy. They are already operating 24 hours on the clock. Oko aviation sector, it is already operating 24 hours on the clock. Embassy, yentum, and airport, yentum, anytime bia, inipa ho yaduma, oko ye restaurant, yentum, clubs, yentum. What I say, oko secret aspect. Police for your running shift. If you can't opa, if you can't wear, if you can't anajo. Yeah, oko hospital already, it is there. 9 shift, morning shift, afternoon shift, 3 shifts a day. That is if you can't opa, if you can't wear, if you can't anajo. There are some areas, factory, company can say engaging production. It run 3 shifts a day. Running 9 shifts, you know count. And there are some areas of this economy, they are already operating on 24 hours, 3 shifts a day. And what is new about this? What is new about this? Is it just the name Keke? And I said, seriously, I'll launch it. I can check guys, okay, now the Ghana is 12-hour economy country. And as I say, me myself, I don't get it. Now, say me tell you, I say I don't get it here. And then the media will say journalist. Then the woman, oh man, because a question. They came to fire, expose, and blast Mahama for 24-hour economy.
Na send no ye launch no. Me
Mase,
na no sha say.
I reho na mnibopo ya. Na 133. Ono nye 300 page document ya. Obi. Formula 133. One manifesto. outline and zama wobeye ma obia wagana bebuni bia wagana bia wenye juma waye no oni nye 300-page document and da walanche
na waka de bebunu bia benye juma
and waka de bananche youth no wo page juma ye abana say obobe create jobs ana plenty eje ko tubo wi asa waka lunch 300 them documents no 40-year-old development plan ya Dr. Kwesibo Chebuwaye 2017 or say 2018 mu difference be how
akana
chief Masrawo
oh question na bibi say
ya start new month
akana
mamman kamasa
ana mon kana sem
oh say una obisa say wa kan ko book e da wa un kan ye de na book na kan
emu dia 24 hour dia no
so no na say 300 page na say emu dia na wa kan
in fact exact copy am one 283 momo day to some sakadam document obi
and a document Dr. Gusitano waye ina
obi say momo
283 pages
man am catch you obi the deception padisi what the dada Ghana youth but what to abamo ho ne wa ya wa ha obi mese me chow there masaka document no 24-hour economy
Charlie on your ready
I got it on the 3rd of June.
Yeah. Also, or the
24-hour plus 2025 283 pages.
Asempa FM.
I'm not sure the one I'm putting.
Miss Akana.
No, madam, June 3 Namankania. So,
how can you condemn a book you haven't read?
It is obvious. The one voluminous documents now what about one crowd on peden kofukra when you turn walking because I can 230 pages more you know. Now all I come on no but the you know and now paba. The promise was simple. And the Wakachan will be anchored by the private sector.
And government would only facilitate.
Hey. Only Formula 133 no.
Yes.
Asempa abo. Mr. the youth of Ghana by now wosunga. The na motinya. Na programs are outlining na on your consolidation of planting for food and jobs and agenda what you call it one district one factory. How different is the Ghana as a grow 24? Is this farming now? You ever start your farm where the light yako? Will bet your electricity or farms or Ghana now, Kokoma rubber plantation or down west or baby. You catch the light alcohol in the fire. I can't believe it.
What can't you believe?
But how is that even conceivable?
Obesi market 24-hour economy model market across the country.
I walk out on
na market what it on.
I also have much 230 I got tomatoes will go na abana bed.
So nice market. No when you nice market.
Tomatoes. 2 a.m. in there. Are you telling me that you won't get somewhere to buy? It's available. If you want to buy tomatoes at 2 a.m. If you have more
this matrical government, that money is
yeah. Ghana,
complete disappointment. No fanfare and no way, my no fanfare.
But are you not jumping the gun?
Catch on there, yeah. I don't know what Lanchi Mahama case.
Yes, Mahama case.
What Lanchi?
Yes.
Event organization. We can see info. We can see. Prior to that, was Lanchi another one. Ejumapa.
Yeah, Ejumapa na national apprenticeship
event organization.
Ejumerua and a national apprenticeship.
Event organization on no experts. And then that's why another event organization. I'm saying that narrative of what their campaign Formula 133 on event organization na rokweke ya on because I would have thought though very simple and straightforward one manufacturer sufficiently captures the kinds of things what be yema 3 shift why juma for 6 months. DVL and Master was a 24-hour office blue denta.
DVL.
That's what I heard. I don't know why they didn't say Joy SMS.
Okay.
Now one chief executive no
okay.
office B. Very recent. They,
okay.
I don't know whether it's even functional. But how about the passport office that they promised? How about the ministries, department, and agencies?
Ministries, department, and agencies.
Now,
okay,
how about the banks? Every entity be going to be a mobile tree. Now, and when we tree, where are you going to get a job to grade from?
No, that's one.
And the public, what can
there? Every ministry be a juma.
Now,
Department of Government.
Oh, now it's a drama here.
Shifts.
3 shifts.
Every department of government.
Thank you. 24 hours.
Oh, I don't think so.
I
think they rather mention.
Is it that you didn't follow or
no,
you didn't
what
hear?
I remember is they mentioning government entities they provide service to the people and on
the ministries won't provide the service.
Oh, maybe a passport office,
no,
Ghana Police Service,
ministries
DVLA.
won't provide the service.
What do they do?
Departments of state won't provide the service. Agencies won't provide the service. Not at all. Obi. But I'm a doubt that the truth would always be laid bare.
24-hour economy noa. Omanya yetimua enkania. Ye nyumire kura na be so chire amasa wo se edwana wudie na be dinu no hwere duonu nan wonna enkania twumi ahwe so wa bre sumu aba no ye kankania enye nkania wo fi asem ne ye kan enye nkania wo dem ya wo press ye be so asem ne ye kan no ba bia wo ti abo ye adwuma no suisa horo ye ayebo ya so wo bi se aduane kura na meto no hwere duonu nan ya ha na me de maduane ni besi no kania no aso kania no ejina so aso sweet lies kura aswafo a owonkra mantem ka se o na me ben na mege wo de breto ho no enne na assembly members ibisa ne se ono abuwe wo ne wo ka se sweet lies aka so de be ma no yehu enti ne edi kan kania ne edi ho no mo bambo ya ye krado e wo bambo ho ne edi ho no bi o se ye ka se ankura na ebe ye 24-hour economy no a ankura se wanya sa akade no a dia na wo betumi dia hye wo bi se sori na 24-hour no fa wo kodim 24-hour economy no sori na fa wo kohye bi wa bra wonim se ba dia me kwotene anhwe ya akromfo kura bedimani mi nyankani akura me de be ye sa adwuma no se me pon adwuma na jodasuom na mpese mi kofi a e bi enu honom na trɔtrɔfo kura so nya adwuma ye was state transport to say or minor transporter ye betumi ahye wo se munya adwuma 24/7 no be a time be a nipa na bepon adwuma na se woni kai kura wo no ade bekwa watumi dia kwa no ya ye ho krado
Tiraje mama e wo comment section Ghana kusi koda enye dia Mahama be hu de nie beti a tirawa nya kwame e wo comment section Penyah Block Media aka